Okay, hi TJ. Okay, this is Miss Rahima, obviously you know. Your class advisor for the last time, for the last day today. See, I even prepared notes to say what I have to say for you, okay? So, first of all, I want to tell you that it has been a great learning experience walking this journey with you all. Okay, there's a lot of ups and downs, a lot of ups more than downs, thankfully. So, I'm grateful that you have given me a chance to walk this journey with you. I have enjoyed it a lot because you all are very funny, warm, enthusiastic, and they often say that the class will take on the character of the teacher. So I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing that you all sometimes start to sound like me. So okay. Anyway, I have been proud to be your CA because I have a lot of lecturers coming up to me and saying a lot of good things about TJ. There were bad things, of course, but more good things than anything. So I'm very proud to have been there. And okay, I think I've covered about all. And also, thank you for everything, for the birthday surprise, for your good results, for being enthusiastic and everything. Okay. And till we reunite again in your journey at your graduation, good luck with your internship. Don't give me any trouble. Don't MIA. I don't get a call from your supervisor, okay? Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy your holidays.